Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy Styles. If you really want that kind of hairstyle that will you will get compliments from people around you, this is the right haircut. I would like you guys to watch to the end because this is a hairstyle that is so lovely. It's that kind of long top that can be left straight or even natural or even coiled, and this kind of short size look awesomely coiled because with this haircut it will always flatter off a shape and it always requires low upkeep. This haircut is just that kind of haircut that will make beautiful women out there to look beautiful, and it won't take much time to style because it's a wash and go style. Always keep in mind that not all black hair types can always sustain the bleaching process, so black women with this beautiful cut and hair need extensive hair treatments to keep their hair in good health. So always talk to your stylist to see if this beautiful haircut and color will suit you, because this style you can see a super easy care haircut that looks classy, and is that kind of style you can achieve making the size shorter and leaving the top longer to achieve a superb shape. Because you can see how this wash and go hair will make your morning routine a snap, and a black woman with a pixie can conquer the world with this cut on her tresses. This is another beautiful short haircut for coily hair and achievably using those dry cutting technique, because you can see coily hair really shrinks up, ensuring you get the shape you desire. Moisturizing is a must to really keep this hair looking gorgeous. So diffuse coily pixie cut haircut with conditioner and oil just to get the soft and beautiful shape you want. So let me just let you guys have all the styles. Please make sure you watch this video to the end, and if it's the first time on this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us know your mind in the comment section below. I appreciate you all. God bless you guys, and see you in my next video. I get the mic, go what do you I'm playing?